The facilitation balls are conversational pace setters. They liven up every feedback round and powerfully focus the trainer's coaching questions. The trainer helps the group reflect after a learning phase by giving them the following instructions. He will select 4 balls and throw them around the group. Anyone holding a ball is invited to share their thoughts. For example, the trainer shows them the heart and asks, "How did you feel during the task?" Then the trainer explains what the other balls represent. This gives the participants time to think about what their answers will be. Now, the first participant can share his thoughts with the group and then throws the ball to another group member. The next person describes what flashes of inspiration he has had today. This team member explains what pieces of the puzzle she thinks really good teamwork is made of. The next person describes how important a helping hand was in completing the task. In this way, all of the group members are actively involved and have enough time to think about their answers. This ensures that the feedback they give is diverse and in-depth. Another possibility is for the group members themselves to choose the balls they will use to put their thoughts into words. This participant has immediately found the most appropriate ball because there are 2 things she wants to share: what worked well and what didn't work so well. The facilitation balls are also really useful when the trainer wants to support the group with targeted coaching questions. Here, the trainer is presenting a crown. It stands for the reward that the group wants to treat themselves to when they reach their target. This brings about a change in perspective, and the group starts to communicate on the meta level. In order to support a solution-oriented approach, the trainer can, for example, ask, "What would be the key to success?" The tactile stimulus allows the group members access to another sensory channel to gain further inspiration for their feedback. They can literally grasp the situation. Each individual set contains 7 different balls. Set 1 contains, in addition to the closed fingers and thumb, the heart, the open hand, and the key, the following balls that are ideal for questions such as, what steps would bring you closer to your goal? What did you just learn during the task? Or also, what new ways of thinking are necessary? What precise mental picture do you have of your goal? Or, what would new approaches to the situation look like? In addition to the puzzle piece, the crown, and the light bulb, Set 2 contains other balls that are ideal for the following questions. What wishes do you have for yourself or the group? What does the situation look like when viewed from a distance, from the perspective of a hot air balloon? How can you apply what you learn to the real world? And what tools do you need to reach your goal? Detailed instructions support you in finding the right meaning for each symbol, whatever situation you want to use the balls for. The facilitation balls help you, the trainer, to ask the right questions, and they support your groups in finding authentic answers. In coaching situations, they help the participants focus on solutions and activate resources. They are ideal tools both for team and small group evaluation work, as well as for team coaching or one-to-one coaching sessions. The facilitation balls are perfect for working one-to-one and with small to mid-sized groups.